Kia ora, and welcome to the second lesson in pronouns. Today we're going to learn to say us. In Māori, when we say us, we can be inclusive or exclusive. For example, Maria says to Anna, "We're women." He wāhine tāua. Tāua means you and I. This is called inclusive. Now, Maria is talking to Rewi. She says, "We're women," but she means her and Anna, not Rewi. He wāhine māua. Māua means her and I, but not you. This is called exclusive. I like to remember it by thinking that tāua starts with T, for you too. When you say tāua, you include the person that you're speaking to. Māua starts with M, for me, and it has nothing to do with the person that you're speaking to. Māua and tāua both mean two people. If the us refers to three or more people, we say tātou to be inclusive, or mātou to be exclusive. Let's practice. He tama tāua. We're boys, you and I. He tama tātou. We're boys, all of us. He tama māua. We're boys, he and I. He tama mātou. We're boys, but not you. He kōtiro tāua. We're girls, you and I. He kōtiro tātou. We're girls, all of us. He kōtiro māua. We're girls, she and I. He kōtiro mātou. We're girls, but not you. Kaiako means teacher. Tauira means student. How would you say, "We're teachers, you and I"? He kaiako tāua. Imagine that now you're talking to students. How would you say to them, "We're teachers, them and I"? He kaiako mātou. Now you're a student. How would you say to the teachers, "The two of us are students"? He tauira māua. And now, how would you say to the other students, "We're all students"? He tauira tātou. There you have it. Now you understand the different kinds of us in Māori. Ka kite.